Tell me a little more about how you put yourself in the mindset of you're my guest when you introduce yourself.
Too many people, when they go into an art situation, they go into this idea feeling like they have to convince somebody or they have to win at that situation. And I think that's the biggest difference between people who come across as salesy when they have that mindset versus somebody where it just feels natural and authentic. So when I'm in an in-person event and I'm selling my art, I know that I am there to just help them enjoy what I have, just like, as you said, a host at a party. So when they come into my space, I want to treat them the same way I would as if they were a guest in my home. And that begins with, hi.